welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima. If you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for future updates. So today I'm going to show you how I have made a bookend, or you can say book holder, using cement. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to comment down there below. So let's get started. To make this DIY, you need cement, gloves, white color acrylic spray paint, rubber band. Now take the mixture of the cement and pour it inside the gloves. Now once you have completed pouring the cement inside the gloves, now here tie the rubber band. Okay, now take those gloves and put anything to bend the gloves properly. Once it has dried, I have already cut the gloves. Now let's do the painting part. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.